Did you know that one of the fastest ways to help customers choose the right products is by using infographics instead of just posting the brochure online? Well, in this video, I am going to show you just how to create infographics so that you can position yourself as a product educator and not just posting a brochure or a link online. So, if you want to learn how to do this, then I want to encourage you to stay tuned and watch this video tutorial. Welcome to Beauty and Boss Life. Hi, I'm Felita, your independent beauty ambassador, leadership mentor, and business coach. If you're passionate about beauty, self-care, confidence, and building a business that fits your lifestyle, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find beauty tips, product reviews, business training, motivation, and strategies to help you look your best and live your best life. So if that's you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications and join our growing community. Let's build beauty and confidence and success together. Hey beauty ambassadors, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felita Danieli, independent beauty ambassador, leadership mentor, and business coach with Avon. I am coming out to you today, wanted to share with you some very valuable information to help you grow your beauty business. Okay, so I entitled this video, Solve Everyday Beauty Problems with Avon Infographics. Now, the first thing you might be asking yourself is, what exactly is an infographic? Well, an infographic basically is just an image of the product, and it tells exactly what it's for, how to use it, and when to use it. Okay, you see, customers don't just want to spend time searching throughout hundreds and hundreds of products. We have lots of products in our brochures, and when you have specific detailed infographics, it will solve a solution to a problem that somebody might be going through. It's going to provide those quick answers that they need without having to search and search and search online. Okay, so instead of saying, just look at my brochure or browse this brochure, people don't want to do that anymore. We are in the information age, and you have to be a product educator and educate customers on the products that you are selling. Okay, so people don't want to hear just buy my products. They don't want to hear that anymore. Or just passing a brochure. They don't want to hear that anymore. Your goal as an ambassador should be to become a product educator. Okay, so when a customer understands how a product actually fits their needs, they're more confident in making a buying decision. So that's one of the reasons why infographics can be a perfect marketing tool for your business. Okay, they give your customers valuable content, and also it's good for using on your social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Google business page, all of those. It's really good, and they are search engine friendly. Okay, so as an Avon ambassador, your goal should be to become a beauty consultant, okay, and not just someone who shares a brochure. Okay, give them something to solve a problem. Give them the answers to a problem that they are actually going through. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you a 5-step formula on how to create infographics. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's get into the video. All right, so here is the 5-step formula to creating your infographic. Okay, now first of all, you need to decide what product you're going to use. Okay, I have chosen to use a new platinum night cream. Okay, whatever product you choose, that's fine. Okay, it's best to create one on pretty much all of them because you'll have a lot of content that you can share and your greater your chances of the greater your chances of increasing your sales. Okay, so I am using a new platinum. Okay, now the next thing you're going to need is AI. So you need to choose which AI platform you're going to use, either ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek. Whichever one you use, that's fine. Okay, you just need to have AI because AI is going to do all of the work for you. Okay, then the third thing you're going to need to have open is your URL, either your URL shortener or your QR code. Now, if you have not already watched the video tutorial that I did on how to create your QR code, then I'll link that video so you can learn how to create your QR codes as well. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is choose a product. So again, I'm choosing platinum. Okay, so when you get to the website, you're going to go to the website. Now let me mention this, I always use my computer. I am not sure if you can do all of this on your cell phone. You may be savvy on your cell phone, but I always do all of this information on my computer. So the first thing we're going to do is right click on the product here. Okay, we're going to scroll down to where it says save image. Okay, save image as. All right, so it's going to open up and you'll see it named product and then a number. Okay, I've already saved it here on my computer and I named it. So all I did was just went back and took that out and named it a new platinum night cream. Okay, that's all you need to do to save the product. Okay, now we're gonna go out of here and we're gonna go into ChatGPT and we're gonna give Chat a prompt on what we want to create. Okay, so I'm telling Chat, create an infographic. Let me see, and we always want to tell it the size. Okay, create an infographic in the size of a reel. Okay, about Avon, a new platinum night cream. Okay, there's some other information that you also want to include as well. You might want to say provide details on what problems does it solve, who should use it, how and when to use it. Okay, then you're going to give it, you're going to tell it, use this product image and this QR code for call to action. Okay, now I am going to go back and I'm going to upload the image that I just saved. Okay, so let me go in here and I'm going to select the image that I just saved and then I'm going to upload it to Chat. Okay, now I need to create a QR code for the product as well. So therefore I'm going to go over to my tiny URL and I'm going to create a QR code for the product. Okay, now how you do this, of course, you can go back and watch my video as well. Let me move this down here so I'm out of the way. Sorry, I'm all over the place. But what you want to do is go back into the website, into Avon's website, and you want to copy and paste that long web address right here. Okay, the link to the product. Okay, then you need to give it an alias. Okay, so you can see here I named mine a new platinum night cream. Now it might already be taken, but I just went ahead and typed it in anyway. but the domain name is going to be tinyurl/a new platinum night cream. Okay, so you can either shorten this link or you can create the QR code. So it may not transfer over for the QR code. So let me just go and copy this just in case. So generate QR code. So it didn't. So let me paste it here. And then I'm going to put the name here again. A new platinum night cream. Okay. All right. And then we're going to generate QR code. So there we go. So now it has given us a QR code. So we're going to download this QR code in PNG. Okay. So it's already named a new platinum night cream QR. So you know that that's the QR code for that specific product. Okay. So I also I keep a file specifically for my QR codes. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to save this. Let me see, what did I do with my QR codes? File. Let me see. I must have put it under my Avon. Let me go in here. There it is, QR codes. Okay, so I'm going to save it here with all of my other QR codes. Okay, so I've already named it a new platinum night cream, so I'm going to save it. Okay, now that we have the QR code, we're going to go back into chat and we're going to upload that image, the QR code image, here into chat. Okay, so let's go back. Find the image. Let's see here. I had put the image in, let's see, my products, and go to QR codes, and let's see, where is it? A new platinum night cream right here. Okay, so we uploaded the QR code. All right, so the prompt that I gave it: create an image and create an infographic in the size of a reel about Avon a new platinum night cream. Provide details on what the problem does. Let me see, let me take that out. Okay, provide details on what the product does, who should use it, how and when to use it. Use this product image and this QR code for the call to action. Okay, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and send the prompt right now, and AI is going to work on creating this image for us. And you have to give it a few minutes because it sometimes takes a few minutes to sketch it out, and it will produce the results for you shortly. It's working. Finishing up. Adding the final touches. AI has transformed our business like 100%. So see how beautiful this infographic is? So it provides all of the details. Avon, a new platinum night cream. Wake up to firmer, smoother, younger looking skin. What problem does it help? It shows it reduces the look of deep wrinkles. It helps to improve skin firmness and elasticity. It deeply hydrates overnight. It restores radiance and smooth texture, and it strengthens skin's natural barrier. It's powered with protanol and paxillium. Okay, the rich, nourishing cream works while you sleep, so you wake up to visibly renewed skin. Okay, so it goes down here to tell who should use it. It's ideal for women 40 plus. It's for all skin types, especially beneficial for mature, dry skin or aging skin. Anyone looking to restore youthful looking skin overnight. Okay, how to use it. You cleanse your face first. Okay, you take a small amount and gently smooth over your face and your neck, and then you relax. Okay, all right. So when to use? It says use it every night. Okay, now to purchase this product, all the person would have to do is scan this QR code, and it would take them directly to your website. Okay, now one thing I did forget to do was to include my brand name. So I can go back and ask it to add my brand name. So I'm going to ask it to recreate the image and add my brand name at Beauty and Boss Life. Okay. So now it's going to go back and it's going to put my brand at the bottom of the image. And so this way, whenever it goes all across the internet, no matter where it goes, it'll come back to me because my information is on this. Now, all you would have to do for yours is put your brand name on there as well. Okay, so that's all you would have to do. Create that QR code and make sure you have a business brand name that you're using to mark all of your content that you are putting out online. Okay, now the reason why I ask it to create this image in the size of a reel is because you can take this same image and you can make a reel. You can make a 15-second, 30-second reel where you can post it as a video online. So not only does the image work, you can also use it as a reel as well. Okay, so you can see down here it included my brand name at Beauty and Boss Life. So there you go. It's just that simple. So you're going to download this image. Okay, you're going to download this image and you'll start sharing this image online. Okay, all you have to do is go and download it to your computer and you start sharing it online. And that is how you create an infographic. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and store this here in my skincare because I have a file specifically for skincare, and I've already got a new platinum day cream here. That's age delay, so I'm gonna put it just here. All right, so I'm gonna call this a new platinum night cream. Okay, so now it's saved. So all I have to do now is download that image. I can put it in, upload it to CapCut and create a 15-second or a 30-second reel and share it all over the internet. That's what we have to set our goal to do now. We've got to change our mindset about how we operate as ambassadors. It's time out for just passing brochures. That day is gone. It's time to be product educators so that we can educate people about what we have to offer. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and like this video because it does help my channel to grow. And also, if you are not already subscribed, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new content. I want to thank you so much for your time today. Thank you so much for watching. And until the next time, you take care and take charge, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.